Welcome to the Manchester Grand Hyatt, one of our favorite Southern California staycation destinations. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help us reach our goal of getting 1,000 subscribers. We're first welcomed into the grand spacious lobby of the largest hotel in Southern California, which has two distinct towers connected at the lower levels. We stayed on the 39th floor of the Harbor Tower, where we got to experience panoramic views of the city and ocean. As Hyatt Globalists, we got access to the Grand Club Lounge, which just recently reopened last month after being closed during the pandemic. It's a pretty large space with multiple seating options and decent selection for evening snacks. The hotel has two rooftop pools with fire pits at the main pool area for those chilly evenings. The fitness center is one of the largest fitness centers that we've ever seen in a hotel. morning, we were back to the club lounge for breakfast, where they had a selection of both cold and hot breakfast items. The main pool is all ages and has 2 separate hot tub areas, while the adult pool is in the other tower with only 1 hot tub. There are several different drink and dining options on site, including The Landing, Brew 30, and Seaview. Although Seaport Village is only steps away with its numerous shops and restaurants. With its panoramic views, bright airy spaces, and central location, Manchester Grand Hyatt is one of our favorite Hyatts in San Diego.